What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you two different things. The first main thing is how to reverse a video, how to make it look like it's playing backwards. And out of that same feature, create like a custom effect, maybe like a glitch effect or a little rewind glitch. So let's get it started. Now, if you enjoy watching these videos and you want to see more like it, please subscribe to the channel because I'm constantly creating new content. So let's head down here in the timeline. So I have two videos. The first one I have are these strawberries that are dropping in the water. I'll play it for you. Very simple, just shows them dropping the water. So I eventually want to add a reverse effect where they come back out of the water afterwards. So first thing we do is we need to duplicate this clip. We can do it a couple different ways. Highlight it and do Command C to copy, and then bring it over here, and then just do Command V for paste. You can do it that way, or the way that I do it the most is do Option, click, and if you just drag it over, it'll automatically duplicate it. Let it go. Now you have two clips. So let's butt them together. Now, because this is the starting point as it comes in the water, and then it ends here at the bottom. If we just duplicate it, it's going to do the same thing and start over again with it coming from the top, which we don't want to do. We want it to leave the bottom from the beginning of the clip and then exit out the top. So we're going to do the opposite. So if you highlight the second clip, right mouse click, head up to where it says speed and duration. And you're going to notice we want the speed to be the same. Now this is the other thing, you can play with the speed to make the reverse that much faster, but for this purpose, I'm just going to keep it at 100%. Head over here to where it says reverse speed, click on it, and then click OK. So what it's going to do now, so I'll play it from the beginning of the first clip. So it drops down and then it pulls it back out. So that's a very simple way to reverse a clip. Now I'm going to delete this. And then let me show you where we can make a custom effect out of the exact same feature. So this is a clip of motorcycles riding up to a jump, flipping, doing a backflip, doing another trick, and then landing. So what I want to happen is as they take off from here, I want this to kind of do this kind of reverse glitch effect like that. So let's go maybe halfway here. I'm going to get the blade tool, which is C keyboard shortcut. I'm going to click right there. And then I want to go a little bit further to where they're right off the top before they take off, right there. And then do another cut. Now I'm going to move this bigger part out of the way. And we're going to, let me zoom in here. And we want to focus on this little section right here because we want to duplicate this and make it go back and forth. So do the same thing I showed you before about how to duplicate. I'm going to click Option, carry and drag it over. And I'm going to do one more and I'll explain why. So now let's put them together. Okay. So the way it is now, it's just repeating the same clip the same way. So that's not what we're looking for. What we want to do is get this middle clip. So I have the first one I cut and then I have the two duplicates. I'm going to click the middle one, do the same thing we did before, the right mouse click, go to speed and duration. Click the reverse speed just like we did. So now just the clip in the middle is going backwards. So I'll play that out. So you see how it does that? That kind of, it plays back and then goes back forward again. Now if you want to make it a little bit longer, we can highlight these and duplicate them again. So now, if we play it, let me grab and get the other thing ended, put it together. So you have two reverses in there. So let me play it out for you. But that's just the basic way to use the reverse to also make an effect. You can also add to that effect by playing with the speed ramping or put different blur effects or glitch effects in addition to that and customize it any way you want. Anyway, I hope that video helped, and if it did, please give the video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. And if you enjoy watching these videos, please subscribe to the channel because I'm constantly creating new content. That being said, have a great day. Later!